Hello, Zillow Premier Agents. In case you don't already know, Zillow Premier Agent allows you to jointly advertise with a lender to share the costs and benefits of your investment. Co-marketing with lenders helps to provide the best experience for your clients, jointly increase your ROI, and open more opportunities for growth. Let's go over a few common questions about co-marketing. How does it work? When we connect you with a home shopper who has also requested financing information, we send their contact info directly to a co-marketing lender you're working with. How does co-marketing affect your monthly investment? When a lender participates in Zillow Premier Agent co-marketing, the lender will pay Zillow Group for the lender's portion of the total monthly spend. If you spend $300 per month on your Zillow Premier Agent investment and invite a lender to co-market for $100 per month, Zillow Group will charge the lender $100 and charge you the balance, $200. How many lenders can you share co-marketing costs with? You can share marketing costs with up to 5 lenders. In a few areas across Zillow and Trulia, we only show a single lender. In these cases, we determine which lender to show each time based on their relative spend. If one of your lenders is spending $100 per month and the other is spending $200 per month, the second lender will appear twice as often. Connect with our business consultants and they can help you with the next step. Thanks, and see you again soon.